Hello all my fellow subscribers. It's me once again, Jackson Simon, with glitch number 2. I am playing Ratchet Clank 1. This is a glitch no one's ever found before, hopefully. I'm on Planet Novalis, if I said it right. Now this glitch is fairly easy to find, but sort of hard, but you just go back here. Sorry if I sound a little weird, I'm getting over a cold. Now, you probably all have gone this way before while playing the game, or some of you have never gone this way before. But here's a little thing I found. Go past these guys. Actually, that'd be a good idea to get here before I do that. Alright, the glitch is you have to hop out of each pool and land right into the other one. Now, you may be wondering, what will this do? Just watch. Now, this is the hard part. Now, what this will do will blow your mind. Ratchet is floating in mid-air. Well, he's swimming in mid-air. How amazing is that? I found this when I was around 4 years old. Yeah, I could just do this forever. But the second you touch water, it'll fix it. Wait, no. Even if you touch the ground, it won't fix it. And the enemies can't even hurt you, I think. Yeah. Now, you may be wondering, how would I fix this? You just jump out of the water. And there you go. There's another glitch fixed. So until next time, I'm Jackson Simon, and I'll see you next time. Please leave a like and subscribe.